distinguished judges, fellow innovators, and champion of safety. We are here today because in the face of a disaster, the most dangerous thing isn't just the wind or the water, it's the silence. We are Team Alert, and we are here to ensure that when a cry for help is sent, it is never lost in the noise. Imagine this, it was just another Tuesday night in Tuguegarao City. A flood warning had been issued, water was rising fast in one of the barangays. A resident grabbed her phone and typed frantically into Facebook, "Water is reaching the doors, please send help." That post got shared, it got reactions, it got comments. But no one knew if it was real. No one knew exactly where. And by the time the right people saw it, 47 minutes had passed. In an emergency, that is not delay. That is the difference between rescue and tragedy.
This is not just one story. It is a systematic crisis across Southeast Asia. Today, emergency information is scattered across chat groups and word of mouth. It is unverified, leading to conflicting reports that paralyze responders. And for communities with limited internet, it is exclusionary. They are simply cut off. There is a critical gap between the ground and the authorities. Responders are forced to make life and death decisions while sorting through unorganized noise. We don't just need more information, we need clarity.
Introducing Alert, an AI platform designed to turn scattered signals into life-saving action. Alert doesn't just collect reports, it analyzes them. Our AI clusters data by time and location using credibility scoring to filter out noise and surface the truth. But we know that in a disaster, the internet often fails. That's why OLED features dual connectivity. If Wi-Fi goes down, our system remains fully functional via SMS. Whether you have a smartphone or basic keypad, Alert ensures you are never silenced. We are organized, the chaos responders can focus on one thing, saving lives.
We are starting in Tuguegarao City, refining Alert through real community feedback. We are not just building software, we are building a network, partnering with the PNP, the Bureau of Fire Protection, and local leaders. To date, our goal is to reach over 1,000 community members through workshops and AI awareness sessions. Why? Because technology alone doesn't build safer communities. People who trust the technology do.
Our vision begins in one city but scales across Cagayan Valley, the Philippines, and eventually Southeast Asia. As we expand, we will integrate multilingual alerts and advanced risk mapping, ensuring that even the most remote communities are no longer left behind in times of crisis. Imagine a world where 47 minutes of waiting becomes 4 minutes of action. Every second counts. Alert isn't just a platform, it's a commitment to a faster, more connected future. Join us in ensuring that when the next disaster strikes, the right information arrives in time to save lives.